Okay, Low Country Crypto. I'm over here at the Fort World Sound Maritime Center. I'm gonna go in, meet some people. It's one of the organizations we're gonna be donating to. So let's go check it out.
You always hope that they'll come back. Why is there always that one that got away?
Okay, so we're all set up. Everything went well. We're gonna start donating to this organization here. And I'll have links in the description so you can check them out and see what they're all about. They restore nature in the area and keep everything nice and safe and neat and all that good stuff. Protecting the marine life, taking care of the shores and the beaches. Alright, y'all. Get in the car and get in the road here. Talk to you later. Check out lowcountrycrypto.com. Keep up with everything I'm doing. Become a patron. Helps promote everything and finances. Thank you.